Since 1999, ThinManager has delivered the right content to the right place. Centralized content and device management is the cornerstone on which ThinManager was built. We then introduced user-based content delivery with numerous advanced authentication methods to deliver content to a user at the time of authentication. The right content to the right person at the right place at the right time. Now we are taking content delivery at the right time to the next level. ThinManager introduces event-based content delivery. As a new navigation option on the main left navigation tree in ThinManager, Events adds a new dimension of how ThinManager interacts with your facility and unique production environment. The configuration wizard for Events allows easy interaction with your code-based properties using familiar logic like equal, not equal, and greater than. It interacts with standard variable types like integers and strings to build easy yet powerful logical statements to trigger events. Once created, ThinManager Events can initiate many various actions and options, adding new display clients as needed, tiling for better visualization, changing user permissions, and much more. ThinManager's new event-based content delivery extends your control and productivity like no other product on the market, truly delivering the right content to the right person at the right place at the right time.